138 Australian Shepherds and Water Sports, Riding Waves and Dock Diving. Discover the adventurous side of Australian Shepherds as they ride waves in water sports activities. These intelligent and energetic dogs have a natural affinity for water and excel in various water-based activities. Whether it's surfing, paddleboarding, or bodyboarding, Australian Shepherds are known for their enthusiasm and skill in riding waves. To become successful wave riders, Australian Shepherds require proper training and conditioning. This includes building their water confidence, balance, and coordination. By gradually introducing them to water and using positive reinforcement techniques, you can help them overcome any fears or anxieties associated with water. It's important to create a positive and enjoyable experience for them to foster their love for water sports. In addition to building their confidence, Australian Shepherds need to develop their balance and coordination to ride waves effectively. Incorporating exercises and activities that focus on improving their agility and stability can greatly enhance their wave riding abilities. These can include balance exercises, agility drills, and core strengthening exercises. By incorporating these exercises into their training routine, you can help them become more proficient wave riders. So, if you're looking for a thrilling and adventurous water sport companion, Australian Shepherds are an excellent choice. Their natural abilities, combined with proper training, make them exceptional wave riders. Dock diving, a thrilling water sport for Australian Shepherds. Get ready to hit the waves and experience the excitement of riding waves with these amazing dogs. Dock diving is a thrilling water sport that Australian Shepherds excel in. These intelligent and athletic dogs have a natural ability to jump and soar through the air, making them perfect candidates for this high-flying sport. Dock diving involves dogs leaping off a dock and into a pool of water, aiming to achieve impressive distances. It's a sport that showcases their agility, strength, and determination. To enhance their performance in dock diving, Australian Shepherds undergo specialized training techniques. One of the key aspects of training is teaching them how to jump from docks with precision and power. This involves building their confidence and teaching them the proper technique to maximize their distance. Trainers use positive reinforcement methods, such as treats and praise, to motivate the dogs and reinforce desired behaviors. In addition to jumping technique, Australian Shepherds also need to develop strong swimming skills to excel in dock diving. They need to be comfortable in the water and have the stamina to swim back to the dock after each jump. Training sessions often include swimming exercises to improve their endurance and stroke efficiency. Furthermore, Australian Shepherds are taught to focus and stay focused during competitions. They need to be able to block out distractions and concentrate on their handlers' cues. Training techniques may involve using target objects or specific commands to direct the dog's attention and ensure they perform their jumps with precision. Overall, dock diving is an exciting water sport that Australian Shepherds thrive in. Their intelligence, athleticism, and natural abilities make them stand out in this thrilling activity. With the right training techniques and dedication, Australian Shepherds can reach impressive heights and distances in the world of dock diving. Training Australian Shepherds for wave riding. When it comes to training Australian Shepherds for wave riding, specialized methods are employed to ensure their success in this exhilarating water sport. These intelligent and water-loving dogs require a combination of confidence, balance, and coordination to ride waves with finesse. Building confidence is a crucial aspect of training Australian Shepherds for wave riding. Gradual exposure to water and positive reinforcement techniques help them overcome any fears or anxieties associated with the water. By creating a positive and safe environment, these dogs can develop trust and feel comfortable in the water. Balance and coordination are also key factors in wave riding. Exercises and activities that improve these skills can make Australian Shepherds more agile and stable when riding waves. Incorporating exercises such as balance boards and obstacle courses into their training routine can enhance their ability to navigate the waves with ease. Training Australian Shepherds for wave riding requires patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of their individual needs. By focusing on building their confidence, balance, and coordination, these water-loving dogs can become skilled wave riders, enjoying the thrill of riding the waves alongside their human companions. Building water confidence in Australian Shepherds. Discover how to gradually introduce Australian Shepherds to water and build their confidence through positive reinforcement techniques. Overcoming any fears or anxieties associated with water is essential for these water-loving dogs to fully enjoy water sports activities. Here are the steps to help Australian Shepherds develop their water confidence. Start with shallow water. Begin by introducing your Australian Shepherd to shallow water, such as a kiddie pool or a calm lake. This allows them to get comfortable with the sensation of being in water. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your Australian Shepherd with treats, praise, and encouragement whenever they show curiosity or take small steps towards the water. This positive association will help build their confidence. Gradually increase water depth. Slowly progress to deeper water as your Australian Shepherd becomes more comfortable. Take it one step at a time, ensuring they feel secure and supported. Introduce water toys. Incorporate water toys, such as floating balls or toys that dispense treats, to make the experience more enjoyable for your Australian Shepherd. This can help distract them from any initial fears and focus on the fun aspect of being in the water. Provide reassurance and support. Stay close to your Australian Shepherd during their water exploration. Offer gentle reassurance and support, both physically and verbally, to let them know you are there for them. Practice patience. Each Australian Shepherd may have a different pace when it comes to building water confidence. Be patient and allow them to progress at their own comfort level. By following these steps and using positive reinforcement techniques, you can help your Australian Shepherd overcome any fears or anxieties associated with water. Developing balance and coordination for wave riding. Building their water confidence will open up a whole new world of water sports adventures for you and your furry friend. To ensure Australian Shepherds are agile and stable when riding waves, it is essential to focus on developing their balance and coordination. By incorporating specific exercises and activities into their training routine, you can help these water-loving dogs become more confident and skilled in wave riding. One effective exercise is the balance board technique. This involves using a specially designed board that challenges the dog's balance. By gradually introducing the Australian Shepherd to the balance board and encouraging them to stand on it, they can improve their stability and body control. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as they become more comfortable. Another activity that can enhance balance and coordination is obstacle courses. Set up a course using various objects such as cones, hurdles, and platforms. Guide your Australian Shepherd through the course, encouraging them to navigate the obstacles with precision. This exercise not only improves their balance and coordination, but also strengthens their muscles. Incorporating swimming exercises can also be beneficial. Swimming is a low-impact activity that engages the dog's entire body, promoting overall strength and coordination. Start with shallow water and gradually increase the depth as your Australian Shepherd becomes more proficient. You can also introduce toys or floating objects to encourage them to swim and retrieve, further enhancing their coordination skills. Remember to always provide positive reinforcement during these exercises. Reward your Australian Shepherd with praise, treats, or playtime to motivate and encourage their progress. Consistency and patience are key to helping them develop balance and coordination for wave riding. Preparing Australian Shepherds for dock diving competitions. Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of dock diving with your Australian Shepherd? Before you and your furry friend make a splash in competitions, it's important to understand the training process involved. By exploring the techniques used to teach Australian Shepherds how to jump from docks and achieve impressive distances, you can ensure that your dog is prepared for the exciting challenges ahead. One of the key aspects of training Australian Shepherds for dock diving competitions is building their confidence and trust in jumping off docks. This can be achieved through positive reinforcement techniques, where your dog is rewarded for each successful jump. By gradually introducing them to the dock and providing encouragement, you can help them overcome any initial hesitations or fears they may have. Additionally, it's important to focus on teaching your Australian Shepherd proper jumping techniques. This involves training them to have a strong takeoff, maintain a streamlined body position, and execute a smooth landing. By practicing these skills regularly, you can enhance their performance and ensure they achieve impressive distances in competitions. Training sessions should be structured and consistent, with a focus on gradually increasing the height and distance of jumps. It's important to monitor your dog's progress and adjust the training accordingly. Remember to always keep the training sessions fun and engaging, as Australian Shepherds thrive on positive reinforcement and enjoy the challenge of learning new skills. As you prepare your Australian Shepherd for dock diving competitions, it's essential to prioritize their safety. Make sure to provide them with a comfortable and secure harness or vest that allows for freedom of movement while ensuring their safety in the water. Additionally, always supervise your dog during training sessions and competitions to prevent any accidents or injuries. By following these training techniques and safety precautions, you can prepare your Australian Shepherd for the exciting world of dock diving competitions. Tips for safety and enjoyment in water sports with Australian Shepherds. So, dive in and watch your furry friend soar through the air, achieving impressive distances and making waves in the dock diving community. When engaging in water sports with Australian Shepherds, it is crucial to prioritize safety to ensure an enjoyable experience for both you and your furry friend. By following essential safety precautions, using appropriate equipment, and implementing effective techniques, you can protect your dog and enhance their water activities. First and foremost, investing in a high-quality life jacket is essential to ensure the safety of your Australian Shepherd. When choosing a life jacket, consider factors such as the size and weight of your dog, as well as the buoyancy and visibility of the jacket. A properly fitted life jacket will provide maximum safety and comfort during water sports. In addition to a life jacket, it is important to train your Australian Shepherd in water safety commands. Teach them commands such as come, stay, and leave it specifically for water-related situations. This will help you maintain control over your dog and prevent any potential accidents or dangers in the water. Furthermore, always be aware of the water conditions and potential hazards in the area where you will be engaging in water sports. Check for strong currents, underwater obstacles, and any signs of pollution or contamination. Avoid areas with dangerous conditions and ensure the water is safe for your dog to swim in. Lastly, make sure to have the necessary equipment for water sports activities. This may include toys for retrieval games, a long leash for added control, and a first aid kit in case of any minor injuries. Being prepared with the right equipment will contribute to a safe and enjoyable experience for both you and your Australian Shepherd. Choosing the right life jacket for Australian Shepherds. When it comes to water sports adventures with your Australian Shepherd, ensuring their safety should be a top priority. One essential piece of equipment that can provide maximum safety is a life jacket. However, not all life jackets are created equal, and it's important to choose the right one for your furry friend. When selecting a life jacket for your Australian Shepherd, there are several key factors to consider. First and foremost, the size and fit of the life jacket are crucial. You want to ensure that the life jacket is snug and secure on your dog's body without restricting their movement or causing discomfort. It should fit properly around their neck and chest, with adjustable straps to achieve the perfect fit. Another important factor to consider is the buoyancy of the life jacket. Australian Shepherds are known for their love of water, but they may not be the strongest swimmers. Look for a life jacket that provides enough buoyancy to keep your dog afloat and maintain their head above water. It should also have a handle on the back, making it easier for you to lift your dog out of the water if needed. Additionally, the material of the life jacket should be durable and resistant to wear and tear. Australian Shepherds are active and energetic dogs, and they may encounter rough conditions while participating in water sports. A sturdy life jacket made from high-quality materials will ensure its longevity and provide reliable protection. Lastly, consider the visibility of the life jacket. Opting for a brightly colored or reflective life jacket will make your Australian Shepherd more visible in the water, especially in low-light conditions. This will not only enhance their safety, but also make it easier for you to keep an eye on them during water sports activities. By carefully considering these key factors, you can choose the right life jacket for your Australian Shepherd and ensure their safety during water sports adventures. Remember, their comfort and protection should always come first, allowing you both to enjoy the excitement and thrill of riding waves and engaging in dock diving together. Water safety training for Australian Shepherds. Water safety training is crucial for Australian Shepherds to ensure their safety and enjoyment during water sports activities. By teaching them essential water safety commands and techniques, you can help them navigate water-related situations with confidence and minimize the risk of accidents. Here are some key aspects to consider when training Australian Shepherds in water safety. Teaching basic water safety commands. Start by introducing commands such as come, stay, and leave it in water-related situations. These commands will help you maintain control over your dog and prevent them from getting into potentially dangerous situations. Gradual exposure to water. Just like with building water confidence, it's important to gradually expose Australian Shepherds to different water environments. Start with shallow water and gradually increase the depth as they become more comfortable. Reward them with treats and praise for positive behavior. Introducing life jackets. When engaging in water sports activities, it's essential to have your Australian Shepherd wear a properly fitted life jacket. Teach them to associate the life jacket with fun and positive experiences, and ensure that it provides buoyancy and visibility in the water. Practice water retrieves. Training Australian Shepherds to retrieve objects from the water can be both fun and beneficial for their water safety skills. Start with simple retrieves close to the shore and gradually increase the distance. This will enhance their swimming abilities and reinforce their responsiveness to commands. Remember, consistency and positive reinforcement are key when training Australian Shepherds in water safety. Make sure to create a safe and enjoyable environment for your dog and always supervise them during water activities. With proper training and precautions, Australian Shepherds can become confident and skilled water sports enthusiasts. Come. Teaching Australian Shepherds to respond to the command come is crucial for their safety and enjoyment during water sports activities. With their adventurous nature, it's important to establish a strong recall command to ensure they return to you promptly when called. Here are some effective techniques to train Australian Shepherds to respond to the command come in water-related situations. Start in a controlled environment. Begin training in a calm and familiar setting, such as a shallow pool or calm lake. This will help minimize distractions and allow your Australian Shepherd to focus on the training. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your dog with treats, praise, and affection whenever they respond to the command come. Positive reinforcement will encourage them to associate the command with a positive outcome. Gradually increase distance. Start by calling your Australian Shepherd from a short distance and gradually increase the distance as they become more proficient. This will help build their confidence and reinforce the importance of coming to you when called. Practice in different environments. Once your Australian Shepherd is consistently responding to the command come in a controlled environment, gradually introduce distractions such as other dogs or toys. This will help them generalize the command and respond reliably in various situations. Remember to keep training sessions short and enjoyable for your Australian Shepherd. Consistency and patience are key to successfully teaching them the command come in water sports activities. By establishing a strong recall command, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for both you and your furry companion. Get ready to dive into the world of water sports with Australian Shepherds. These adventurous and energetic dogs have a natural affinity for the water and can excel in various water-based activities, including riding waves. But how do they do it? Let's explore their natural abilities and the training required to make them successful wave riders. Australian Shepherds possess a combination of agility, strength, and intelligence, which makes them well-suited for riding waves. Their strong swimming abilities and natural instinct to herd and chase make them excellent candidates for water sports. However, it's important to note that not all Australian Shepherds are automatically proficient wave riders. Like any skill, it requires training and practice to develop their confidence and coordination in the water. To train Australian Shepherds for wave riding, it's crucial to build their water confidence gradually. Start by introducing them to shallow water and positive reinforcement techniques. Reward them with treats and praise for any progress they make. As they become more comfortable, gradually increase the depth of the water and introduce them to small waves. Patience and consistency are key during this training process. In addition to building water confidence, it's essential to focus on developing their balance and coordination. Incorporating exercises and activities that improve their agility and stability will make them more adept at riding waves. These can include balance exercises on unstable surfaces, such as wobble boards, and practicing controlled jumps from low platforms into the water. Australian Shepherds are known for their enthusiasm and eagerness to please, which makes training them for wave riding an enjoyable and rewarding experience. With the right training techniques and plenty of practice, you'll soon witness your Australian Shepherd confidently riding waves like a pro. Stay. In water-related situations, teaching Australian Shepherds the command stay is crucial for their safety and overall enjoyment. By mastering this command, you can ensure that your dog remains in a specific position or area, preventing them from venturing into potentially dangerous areas or getting too far from you. To train your Australian Shepherd to stay in water, you can follow these steps. Start in a shallow and calm body of water, such as a pool or a calm lake. Have your dog stand or sit in the water, and give the command stay while using a hand signal, such as an open palm facing towards them. Take a step back and maintain eye contact with your dog. If they start to move towards you, gently guide them back to the original position and reinforce the stay command. Gradually increase the distance between you and your dog, always reinforcing the command and using positive reinforcement, such as treats or praise, when they successfully stay in place. Practice the stay command in different water environments, such as rivers or the ocean, to ensure that your Australian Shepherd can follow the command regardless of the surroundings. Remember to keep training sessions short and positive, gradually increasing the difficulty as your dog becomes more proficient. Consistency and patience are key when teaching any command, including stay, in water-related situations. And Australian Shepherds are known for their adventurous nature and love for water. With the right training, they can become skilled wave riders, enjoying the thrill of water sports activities. Training Australian Shepherds for wave riding involves building their confidence, balance, and coordination in the water. To build water confidence in Australian Shepherds, it is important to gradually introduce them to water and create positive associations. Start by letting them explore shallow areas and reward them with treats and praise. As they become more comfortable, gradually increase the depth of the water. Patience and positive reinforcement are key to helping them overcome any fears or anxieties associated with water. Developing balance and coordination is crucial for Australian Shepherds to ride waves effectively. Incorporating exercises and activities that improve their agility and stability can greatly enhance their wave riding skills. This can include activities such as walking on unstable surfaces, navigating obstacles, and practicing balancing exercises. When preparing Australian Shepherds for wave riding, it is important to remember that each dog is unique and may progress at different rates. Consistency, patience, and a supportive training approach are essential for their success. With the right training and guidance, Australian Shepherds can become impressive wave riders, showcasing their natural abilities and love for water sports. Leave it. One crucial command that Australian Shepherds should learn when engaging in water sports is the leave it command. This command is essential for their safety and the prevention of any potential hazards they may encounter while in the water. By teaching your Australian Shepherd to leave it, you can ensure that they refrain from picking up or interacting with any dangerous objects or substances that they may come across. To teach the leave it command, you can follow a few simple steps. Start by holding a treat in your hand and presenting it to your dog. As they show interest in the treat, close your hand and say leave it in a firm but calm tone. Wait for a moment and then offer them a different treat from your other hand, praising them for leaving the first treat alone. Repeat this exercise several times, gradually increasing the difficulty by placing the treat on the ground or introducing distractions. Using positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and verbal praise, will help your Australian Shepherd understand the leave it command and respond appropriately, even in water-related situations. Consistency and repetition are key to reinforcing this command, ensuring that your dog understands and follows it consistently, both on land and in the water. In water-related situations. When it comes to water-related situations, it is crucial to ensure that Australian Shepherds are well-trained and equipped with the necessary skills to navigate safely. By incorporating one important aspect of water safety training is teaching Australian Shepherds essential commands that they can follow in and around water. Commands such as come, stay, and leave it are particularly useful in guiding their behavior and keeping them out of potential danger. By practicing these commands in water-related scenarios, you can reinforce their understanding and response. In addition to commands, it is important to introduce Australian Shepherds to various water environments and situations gradually. This helps build their confidence and familiarity with different water conditions, such as pools, lakes, or even ocean waves. Positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, can be used to reward their progress and encourage them to overcome any fears or anxieties they may have. Furthermore, it is essential to provide Australian Shepherds with the appropriate safety gear, such as a well-fitting life jacket. When selecting a life jacket, consider factors such as size, buoyancy, and visibility. A properly fitted life jacket ensures maximum safety and buoyancy, allowing your Australian Shepherd to stay afloat comfortably during water activities. To further enhance their safety, it is recommended to always supervise your Australian Shepherd while they are in or near water. Accidents can happen, and being vigilant can prevent any potential mishaps. Additionally, familiarize yourself with basic first aid techniques for dogs, as this knowledge can be invaluable in case of any emergencies. By prioritizing water safety training and taking the necessary precautions, you can create a safe and enjoyable experience for both you and your Australian Shepherd during water sports adventures.